of skills audit and development. Basically, this is another platform for us to interact with the citizenry of this country so that we can give information about our ministry, what is its mandate, what kind of programs, and then also get as much feedback from the public as possible. The website, apart from giving information about the ministry, it also offers quite a number of resources, articles that talk about policies related to skills development, and also provides data that can be useful to individuals as well as organizations, again related to skills development. So this is a very important website. It conforms to the e-governance policy of the country. You heard His Excellency talking about the need to expedite the development of websites for all government ministries, agencies and departments, but secondly to make sure that they are always updated. And this is a new ministry, and we have therefore achieved a milestone in terms of putting together this website, full-featured website, which will be useful for our citizens. So we are very happy about this launch.